guys, welcome back to Zake the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create the viral based AI baseball stadium video that has been circulating. This one in particular where you can actually add your face to spectators at the stadium watching baseball. So if you want to know how to do and create this, stay on this video. So first thing you have to do is open up your ChatGPT app, and you're going to add a clear picture photo of yourself or anybody at all. Then you're going to add in this caption. So I'm just going to go copy the caption, and I'm going to drop it on my comment section so you'll be able to use it as well. So you're going to paste it right here, click on that, and you wait for ChatGPT to actually create the image for you. So you have to wait for some few seconds, right? So let's wait for ChatGPT. And the second app you are going to be using again is the Google Flow. That's the Flow AI. You can just go to your Chrome or any browser of your choice, and you can search for it. So it's going to take a while. You know how ChatGPT actually operates. So we're going to go to our Google, and you're going to search for Flow. So you can know how it's going to work. You click on it, and so it's actually Google Flow. So you're going to create with Google, create with Flow, and is where you're going to actually make the video for it. You can actually decide to use your group AI to actually do that. So I have to sign in. So I just signed in, and I'm going to click on create. Okay. So it's going to load up, and I'll click on new project, and now I'll keep waiting for ChatGPT to actually create what I want. So I'll go back and check if it has been done. See, it's still creating. ChatGPT takes a lot of time, so it's actually in the process. So this is under caption. Okay, it's just loaded. So I'm going to click on download, and I'll download that to my phone gallery, and I'm going to go back to Flow. I'm going to add up the image. So I'll just upload. Okay, and just go to image, click on this. On this one, ChatGPT just actually created for me, and I'm going to go back and copy up the prompt I want to use. So okay, I'll go back and click on paste, and I'm going to click on that. So it's going to actually do the work for me, so I have to wait. It's going to take about some seconds to complete, and we have to wait for it. So it's already loading. You can see it's very simple, just that I'm trying to explain more. That's why it's taking a lot of minutes, but you can actually do it very fast and very simple. So let's wait for it. It's loading. So it's supposed to actually create a video, or let's say the AI actually made a mistake. So I'm going to try to paste it again, and make sure you keep trying, because you know AI actually do make mistakes sometimes. So I'm just going to simply go to Grok AI, because this did not give me what I wanted. So let's go try Grok AI, and just going to add in a photo immediately. So just add up this, and okay, just put in this, and I'm going to add in, I'm supposed to add in a photo, right? Okay, so it's going to generate a video for me. Okay, AI can just stress you a lot. AI is going to stress you a lot. It's going to really, really, really stress you. So you just have to be patient and wait. Have to actually wait. You can see video limits reached. Upgrade to increase your limits or try again later. So Grok AI is disappointing me as well. So, but you actually saw the process. I'm just going to drop the prompt for you so you can try it yourself. And it's going to work out for you. Fine. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and please subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.